Copy trading is a strategy in the financial markets where one trader, often referred to as the follower, automatically copies the trades of another trader, the leader or signal provider. This allows less experienced traders to benefit from the expertise of more seasoned traders. The follower selects a trader to copy based on their performance, risk level, and trading style. Once set up, the follower's account automatically replicates the trades made by the leader in real time. Trades are usually copied in proportion to the follower's investment size relative to the leader's. The follower is exposed to the same market risks as the leader. Past performance of the leader does not guarantee future results. Platforms that allow copy trading can be eToro, one of the most popular platforms for copy trading, offering a wide range of traders to follow. Zulu Trade allows users to follow and copy trades from top traders across various brokers.